In the world of research, one step quietly shapes the strength of everything that follows, yet it's often misunderstood: the literature review. It's not just a summary of books and articles, it's the foundation that tells the story of what is already known, what is still uncertain, and where your research fits in. Imagine stepping into a vast library filled with ideas, studies, and discoveries. A literature review is your guided journey through that library, where instead of collecting random information, you carefully select, compare, and connect the most relevant knowledge to your topic. It begins with a clear focus. Before diving into sources, the research question acts like a compass, helping filter out unnecessary information. From academic journals and books to credible online databases, each source becomes a piece of a larger puzzle. But here's the key: this is not about copying or listing what others have said. It's about understanding patterns. Which ideas are widely accepted? Where do researchers disagree? What gaps still exist? These questions transform your review from a simple summary into a critical analysis. As the process unfolds, themes begin to emerge. Instead of organizing studies one by one, grouping them by concepts or arguments creates a logical flow. It's like weaving different threads into a single narrative. One study might support a theory, another might challenge it, and together they reveal a deeper insight. This is where your voice starts to appear, not by adding opinions, but by connecting ideas in a meaningful way. Another crucial element is evaluation. Not all sources carry equal weight. Some studies are more reliable, more recent, or more relevant than others. A strong literature review shows that careful judgment has been applied, highlighting high-quality research while acknowledging limitations. This builds credibility and shows that the research is grounded in solid evidence. Finally, the literature review leads to a powerful conclusion, not by ending the discussion, but by opening a door. It clearly identifies the gap that your research aims to fill. This is the moment where everything connects, where past knowledge meets future exploration. The literature review doesn't just look backward, it points forward, giving purpose and direction to your study. In a sense, a literature review is not just a section of a research paper. It's a bridge between what is known and what is yet to be discovered. Mastering it means learning how to think critically, connect ideas, and contribute meaningfully to your field. And once understood, it transforms research from a task into a journey of discovery.